Okay, I'm here at the Milcarb booth. I've got Scott Rosenbaum. He's the president, third generation of Milcarb. Miller Carbonic is the official name. Scott, what are some of the products that a GAWDA distributor would buy from Milcarb?
So we offer a lot of safety relief valves, regulators, polar hose, a lot of stuff for basically transferring over to your truck. Yeah, just like a lot of odds and ends, some tools. We've got some wrenches and stuff to get some of those connections on the truck.
Okay, and so for the people here that actually do know you, what might be something that they don't know about Milcarb?
So we do have a nitrogen generator line for basically beer dispense, but we also sell a lot of that stuff for like food packaging. We've just brought on a new line of generators that are very high flow, high purity, that can be utilized pretty much down to like a welding application, packaging as I've mentioned, maybe bigger scale breweries for transferring beers and whatnot. Then we also have like a lot of installation aids for like outside installation of tanks, stuff to keep things safe. Yeah, a lot of things that people don't really know. We also have an IoT line where cylinder changeovers can actually be automatically changed over, and an email alert will be sent to the distributor so that they know it's time to make a delivery.
Little automation, everyone loves that.
Yeah.
Okay, 65-year anniversary this year. Talk to us about how the company got started.
So the company got started by my grandfather. He started in 1960, and he passed away in 1985. My dad took it over. My father passed in 2020, unfortunately, to COVID, and then I took over. So being third generation, it's pretty exciting to see that I can carry the torch for the family.
It's awesome. And did you do anything special this year for the anniversary?
Yeah, we talked about it at our office and just kind of celebrated it that way and patted ourselves on the back. So.
There you go. Quick update here from Milcarb. Scott's a great guy. If you don't know him, come see him here at the GAWDA shows. He's becoming a regular and a staple. So yeah. Good to see you, Scott.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.